Welcome back to the Downtown Relief Fund Holiday Auction, brought to you by West Shore Bank. Up next, it's the Wolf of Front Street. Up first, from the Reynolds Yonkoff Funeral Home, Perry Hannah's Gifts, a look inside Traverse City's founding father. And there's pictures. 4 bottles of oils and vinegars from Fustini's. A gift card to Amit Call. And to Doug Murdoch's Fudge. And to Bubba's. A travel bag from Traverse City Tourism. And a pair of cherry earrings and a necklace from James C. Smith Fine Jewelry. Plus, we're throwing in a window decal for your car from My Secret Stash. You can become the Wolf of Front Street if you bid now.